How to log into another Snapchat account or log into a different account, this video will show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Snapchat application and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to bottom and find the log out option. Tap on log out and confirm. After logging out, you will be taken to the Snapchat login page. Now, enter the username, email, or phone number of your other Snapchat account. Enter your password and tap on Login. Your second Snapchat account will now open. If you use multiple Snapchat accounts, you can also save your login information so you can switch accounts faster next time. That's how you can log into another account on Snapchat and easily switch between different accounts. If you find this video informative, click on like, subscribe, and share for more videos.